review. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Flair. This is my AI platform creator review. I have a huge discount code, you'll find it in the description, and I have a huge bonus, and you'll find the whole list of my bonuses in the description. The bonus alone is worth $25,000. You get it for free, and let's check out the sales page right now. Okay, so AI Platform Creator. Imagine owning your very own AI business, world's first AI engine that allows you to white label your own AI business and charge people $29 monthly for it. Our AI engine generates hundreds of customers for us for free, making us $6,500 monthly, and profit comes with over 300 plus AI features that will stun you and your customers. So essentially, you're gonna get your own ChatGPT or your own Google Gemini, and you can charge people for it. Okay, so you can charge for the use, like you would charge someone for a ChatGPT, which is like $29-$30 per month, or for work. So you can just generate AI content and sell it as well to your clients. So a ton of different ways of monetizing it. You have some proof right here of how much people are charging, and also how much you would have to pay for all of these AI creators and for all of these content creators. Okay, so let's continue scrolling. Some more proof. We have a little demo right here, so definitely check it out. We're gonna go to the inside of the members area in a second. We have all the features. Obviously, we're gonna get some bonuses on the sales page, and you're gonna get my bonuses on top of it, and we have a money back guarantee as always, so no risk on your part. Some more proof. Again, money back guarantee, 30 days, and you have a little FAQ right here in the end, so check it out in detail if you want to. And right now, let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so this is how it looks like. As you can see, we have the dashboard, we have the sites, users, traffic. Obviously, you can add multiple websites, you can add multiple users, and you can create your AI platform right here. So you can create a new one. You have a list right here of the ones that you already created, so you can go back to them. We have platform user management. You can create an AI logo. We have lead management, traffic stats, leads. We have send mass email. So this is your own autoresponder. You can just email all the people that signed up. We have offers and done for you swipes, done for you edition, automation. These are the OTOs, which we'll talk about in a second, as well as 1 hour profit sites, traffic booster, agency, and reseller license. That's essentially it. So your own membership website that allows you to create and sell AI memberships. Okay, so this is something that you can charge monthly for, and again, you can use the AI content creation platform yourself and just sell content like sales pages, like websites, like images, like videos, whatever else you want. We have all the training videos right here as well, and we have the bonuses right here on top. So that's the inside of the members area, and right now let's go to the upsells. And as you can see, this will be going live February 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so I mentioned the upsells previously. Fillers, let me tell you about the prices, and then we will go back and see what these are exactly. Okay, so the main version is $17. OTO number 1 $67, number 2 $147, number 3 $97, number 4 $67, number 5 $77, 6 $67, then 57, 147, 47, and 97. 10 OTOs in total. You'll be fine with the main version alone. Everything you saw in this video will be included in the main version, but you can definitely pick up one of these OTOs. And again, let's check out what these are. So we have the done for you edition, we have the automation edition, we have 1 hour profit sites, 1-click traffic booster, agency license, and a reseller's license. Okay, so depending on how you want to monetize it, you can pick up one of these or two of these or all of these or none of these. So again, totally up to you. The main version is $17. Again, use the discount code you'll find in the description to apply a massive discount code. If you'll pick it up from my link, you get all the bonuses from me. Okay, so let me show you the bonuses. Again, the list is in the description under this YouTube video. So this is my discount code. Make sure to apply it on the checkout. $125,000 worth of bonuses. So you're getting all of these exclusive bonuses with full money funnels. So these are W's of the day ordered products with OTO number 1, 2, and 3. You have all of these additional apps plus reseller and all of these additional bonuses. Okay, so again, well over $100,000 in value, yours for free. All you have to do is just pick up AI Platform Creator through my link. The link is in the description. That's the first thing in the description. the discount code, the bonuses are in the description. If you need anything else, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. This was my AI Platform Creator review. See you in the next video. Ciao.